Hi, I'm Josh Bennett, and this is Lesson 1, the Longtail Cast-On. To start the Longtail Cast-On, you need to determine the length of the tail. And an easy way to do this is just wrap the yarn loosely around the needle the same number of times that you need to cast on stitches. So if you have 32 stitches to cast on, you will wrap the yarn around 32 times. After all your wrapping is done, then just take the yarn and make another little tail, because you never want to run out of yarn during the long tail cast on. Now you want to make sure we hold on to that spot, because that's where we're going to make our slip knot. And now just pull the yarn off the needle. Now when making the slip knot, I like to do it because it secures the first stitch. It is our first stitch, and it's just a good way to start a few other techniques. But this way we're just going to twist the yarn to make an X, and now pick up the bottom strand and pull it through, and you've made your slip knot. Now go ahead and with the needle in your right hand, just insert it through the loop and pull the loop so it fits around the needle. Now not too tight, and we don't want to cast on tightly either, because it makes it very hard to get in to work the stitch. With your left hand, grab both strands and put your finger and thumb through the back like you're parting curtains. Bring your needle down, and we're going to start with the point of our needle, and we're going to touch the bottom part of our thumb as a guide, and we're just going to slide up our thumb through that loop that is on our thumb. We're going to touch our pointer finger, and we're going to slide across our pointer finger, and then back to the top of our thumb and slide down the loop around the thumb. You have now cast on your second stitch. Let's do one more. So once again, we take our needle, we bring it down so we have our bunny ears. We go to the bottom part of our thumb, slide up the thumb, we go to the pointer finger, and we slide under the yarn and across the pointer finger, and then to the tip of the thumb and slide down the thumb. And you will just continue doing that, casting on stitches till you've reached the desired number of cast-ons. I'm Josh Bennett. Thank you for learning the long tail cast on.